Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV W11, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, even though we do have like a little flap right here, which we can use fingernails for that. Once you do so, you can see that we do have actual tray under that, which it has this little pinhole right there. So grab your little tool, plop it in there, as you can see, and then you want to push it in, and the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and or pull it out with your fingernail. If your fingernail isn't good enough, you can probably use the tool as well and kind of try to pry it up that way. There we go. Now on the tray, you have space for either two different SIM cards. So if you're planning to use dual SIM card, place one of those cards sideways on the SD tray like this. Now because I'm planning to use one of each, I'm going to move it over. There we go. And then insert it back into the device. Now when inserting the tray back into your device, be careful, there's nothing holding these cards in place. So if the tray isn't going in easily, just don't force it in. Just pull it out, see if all the cards are still in place, and then try again. There you go. Once you push the tray all the way in, it should automatically start working. As you can see, it is already for me, as it's requesting my SIM card PIN. So this unlocks my SIM card. Let's give it a second and let's see if we have any kind of notification about our SD card, and there is. There's something about SD card right here. It says Karta SD, which is basically SD card, and you can see it based on that image. Not sure why it is in Polish. But anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.